Okay, good morning students. So we have covered exercise 22.1. Now we will start with the next exercise 22.2. And in this what we need to know? We need to know the first is volume of cuboid that I have already told you, L into B into H, and volume of cube, that is side cube. Okay, so and these things we will use in this exercise. So like in very first question, a figure is given and we have to find the volume of the cuboid. So what will be the volume? Volume of cuboid will be 7 into 6 into 2, that is 84 meter cube. Okay, L into B into H. Then in question number 2, we have to find the volume of cube. So volume of cube will be how much? Side cube, and side is given as 7.5. So it will be 7.5 cube. Okay, so volume of the cube is 421.875 centimeter cube. Now let's see question number 4. The volume of wooden box. So volume of box is given as 1440 centimeter cube. Length is 36 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. We have to calculate the height. Okay. So what is volume? L into B into H. So that will give you height equal to V upon L into B. So height is 5 centimeter. Okay. Then let's see a different type of question. Question number 5. Okay. So what is given? A tea box measures 12 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 4 centimeter. So dimensions of tea box is given as 12 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 4 centimeter. Okay. Then how many boxes can be packed in a cardboard box? Then dimensions of cardboard box are given and it is 0.6 meter into 0.45 meter into 0.8 meter. Okay, now we have to calculate how many boxes can be packed. So how do we calculate? See, this is the one box and this is a big box. So we have to calculate how many boxes can be accommodated in this big box. So what we are going to do, we will calculate number of tea box will be volume of cardboard box, this is the big volume, divided by volume of one tea box. Okay, and we will divide this big volume into the small volumes of tea box. So before going it further, See, this volume is in, these dimensions are in centimeter and these dimensions are in meter. So what I am going to do, I am going to convert the meter into the centimeter, because it is easy to convert the big dimensions into the smaller dimensions. So what we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So it becomes 0.60 into 100, then 0.45 into 100, then 0.8 into 100. Okay, each and every dimension I have multiplied. So now it becomes how much? It is 60 centimeter into 45 centimeter into 80 centimeter. Now all the dimensions are converted into the centimeters. Now I will write the formula: 60 into 45 into 80 divided by 12 into 9 into 4. Okay, I have not multiplied it, I simply divided so that I can simplify it. So it is 12 into 5, 9 into 5 and 4 into 20. So that will give you 500 boxes. Okay. So how to calculate, how you will accommodate the big volumes into the small volumes? You simply divide that big volume by the smaller volume, like I have done. Then I have converted this meter into the centimeter, because here all the dimensions are in centimeter and it is comparatively easy to convert the bigger dimensions into the smaller dimensions. So 1 meter was 100 centimeter. So every dimension has been converted into the centimeter. Then I have divided these two volumes. After simplification, I got 500 boxes. Then in question number 6, a solid metal block. So we have to calculate volume of metal block first. That will be 60 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 36 centimeter. One 728 into 60 centimeter. So this will be the volume of metal block. Now we have to calculate its weight. If 1 centimeter cube weighs 9 gram, so weight of 1 centimeter cube is 9 grams. So what is the weight of this much? 9 into 103680. So that is 'gram, or you can write it as 933.12 kg. Okay. Divide this gram by 1000, you will get the answer in kg, or this will be your answer. So first we have calculated the volume of metal block. Then weight of 1 centimeter cube is given as 9 gram. So I have multiplied this whole volume by 9. So I got the answer as this 9,33,120 gram. Okay. Now in question number 8, it is given that a a house is built on a rectangular plot of area 950 meters square. So what we know, area of rectangular plot, that is 950 meters square. Okay, the house covers an area of 140 meters square. So suppose this is the plot, and a house is there which covers only 140 meters square, and this is how much? 950 meters square. So this will be the area which is covered with the this area is covered with the 20 centimeter layer of soil. That means how much will be this area? This area will be 950 minus 140, that is 810 meters square, and this is to be covered with some thickness of the soil like this. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate how much soil is needed. So for that, area of house is 140 meters square. So we have to calculate remaining area. So remaining area will be 950 minus 140, that is 810 meters square. Now what we know that formula of volume is area of base into height. Okay, so meter cube of soil means you have to calculate the volume of this soil which has to be covered this remaining area. So for that we will calculate area of base is with us, this is 810, and height of soil is given as 20 centimeter. So our area is in meter, our height is in centimeter. We will convert it into the meter, it becomes 0.02 meter. So that means volume of soil will be how much? Base area will be 950 minus 140 into 0.2, that is 800 okay. So this much meter cube of the soil is needed. Okay, so this much meter cube of the soil is to be needed to cover this remaining portion. So in this, what concept I have used? I have used this concept, that is volume is base area into height. We have calculated this shaded area. This becomes upon area of base, and height of the soil is given as 20 centimeter. So I have converted it into the meter. Then for calculating the volume of the soil, I have used it, and you got 162 meter cube.